4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Yeah. I see it.
I don't know if that's supposed to be there.
I see it. It's in the white cloud.
It's in the white cloud. There we go.
There it is. I'm pointing at it.
Yeah, I got you. All right, hold still. Hold still, Christopher.
I see it.
We're not holding still today. Okay. Hold on a sec.
So that has a GLC on.
Yeah. I think I set it to 400.
Man, we got shaky cam for extra
There we go.
intensity here.
Which field?
So you scared all the birds, man.
I know, right?
Good morning. Good morning, Camp Rockets.
Not too bad.
The other field. Okie dokie. A 9-volt battery?
Yes. We are able to weigh this rocket. It's about.
Oh.
Yes. Do you have the software installed?
There should be the app.
Do you have the paperwork?
Yes. Found it.
What?
Found it? Okay.
It was on the far end?
Good thing instead of reversing, I went forward because when I turned around on the road, it's right there in the road.
Oh, so it was like...
It was farther down.
Wow. Thank you, Gary.
Sure.
Oh, the zipper opened up.
Oh, it's zipper.
That's funny. And it completely tore off the fin.
Time to get a new one.
I'm sorry, I gotta do it now. Yeah, the chute's tangled up again.
Well, is that a glider or a fin?
I think
That might be a fin.
Yeah, so the fins are gone.
Yeah.
But I think the eggs are heavy now. Nice slide.
Oh, we gotta do eggs, but does it have to?
Yeah, the eggs are coming down slowly on 2 chutes.
Yeah. There it is. Okey-doke.
We're now inserting have we said the Adeptus Mechanicus sacred prayers of technomancy? No more stability? Okay. Now, as long as it doesn't take the rod with it, we'll be fine.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna screen this, so your ears don't make loud noises. I'm owner! Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Alright, let's see if I can. Oh, I didn't take out the other chute. Fortunately, there's no maritime law here. Yes. I'm sure that I put a main chute in there.
I can brave the wilds, the wallabies, the kangaroos. Launched this rocket on an eye motor all the way from Hawaii to the other island.
Australia.
Unfortunately, it does not appear that we've encountered the elusive main chute today. We yet are hopeful.
A separation
No? Oh, yeah, it came apart again.
and something falling down.
Your shock cord failed again. That was twice.
The retrieval ships have been deployed.
5, 4, 3,
No, it looks good. Probably a cut shroud, yeah.
Yeah.
Check your yellow shoe to see if it's snarled or it's coming down safe. So this should be a counted fight. Yeah, looks good, like a good fight. If the eggs survive. Oh, I wasn't recording. Sorry.
Yeah,
You're right. There's one. There's two. Awesome. Good job.
Okay.
It kept his here. So
Yeah, it
this
didn't
one
even.
did not do any.
Yeah.
Like,
Hooray! All right.
Is all of your guys' equipment on? Your equipment? You good? Okay. Alrighty. Is traffic closed? Yep. Okay. Alright.
Earplugs!
Okay. We are armed. Continuity. We are launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tell us when it's safe.
I will.
The chickens aren't happy.
All clear. All clear. We are armed. Continuity. We are launching in 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.